Sport mode is a beast. Holy. Dude. A lot of headwind, man. A lot of wind. Hope it's not too crazy windy crappy for you guys, but there's the Jolly Green Giant. Oh yeah. So yeah, I never did this before, but pretty much any time I'm on the highway now, I'm wearing earplugs. Dude's from Texas. Look at that. Texas. Oh, chicks from Texas. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am from Texas. Didn't mean to call you a dude there. Anyhow, earplugs. Do you guys use earplugs? Do you always use earplugs? I pretty much, anytime I'm not in town, I want earplugs. Mostly because the wind is just so loud. It might be my helmet or the junk hanging off of it. I mean, I guess, you know, when you put a Bluetooth and a camera, even though the Cena Prism doesn't take up too much space, it's not like a GoPro, so, but still, I suppose just anything attached to it. But this helmet in general has always been kind of loud, even when I didn't have anything on it. I have the HJC IS Max 2. I got it because I had never had a modular helmet before this one. And I do wear glasses. And so I basically wanted it for that, because I was like, there's got to be something better for, you know, where I can wear glasses with the helmet and I don't have to worry about changing the face shield. My previous helmet, it was super uncomfortable even to wear glasses in, so it's like I would have to put on my contacts, and if it's, you know, in the daytime, I would have my tinted visor, put that on, and, you know, that worked out. But then if I was going to be riding and it potentially start to get dark out, I'd have to bring the regular visor back with me and switch that out at some point. And it just kind of bothered me to have to put contacts on, because I just don't really I never really have worn contacts that much. I just prefer wearing glasses. So I went to this modular helmet in hopes that I could just wear my glasses and everything would be cool. And I can. It's awesome. The glasses are super comfy in there. I don't even notice them. Obviously, like regular face shield, and then you guys can probably see sometimes in the videos when I lower the internal visor, and the visor totally clears the glasses and everything, no problem. It's good, decent amount of tint. I don't ever feel like I need more. I think they do sell an even darker internal visor, though, if you want one. Internal sunshade or whatever they call it. But yeah, so as far as like comfortability and features, the helmet is super awesome. But as far as wind noise, I would not necessarily call this a very quiet helmet. There's a lot of wind noise going on. So I was getting headaches not wearing earplugs, and a friend of mine actually said, like, you know, brought it up, because I had never worn earplugs for years, and but I of course I didn't wear a helmet a lot of the time either, so whatever. But yeah, ever since I tried earplugs, now it's like I love it. The only bummer is the earplugs that I used in particular, the blue ones, and they're really, really good, so they block out a ton of noise, so much noise that my Cena 20S's speakers are not really loud enough for music or the radio when I'm cruising on the highway. If I didn't have earplugs, or if I use I have these brown earplugs that aren't quite as thick, and those I can hear the radio just fine if I use those. But if I'm going to be riding for a long time, I prefer to have the max protection, because it's just really like nice. It's really nice to just kind of relax. I mean, there's still, I can hear plenty of noise. I can hear my engine and stuff, and you can hear wind. but it's just far less, no more headaches. So yeah, tell me if you guys wear earplugs, or how long you've been doing it, if you have found better earplugs than others, or if there's a certain helmet that's the bomb and just super quiet for you. I would like to know these things. I feel like it's a good conversation. Alright, so once again, guys, I know I usually say this, but I really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. It's just kind of fun to see the interaction, and, you know, I appreciate the comments. At least some kind of interactions is always cool. And I'll keep trying to put out good videos as long as you guys keep liking and subscribing. So yeah, I'll check you later. See you on the next one.